Planet Bestie. This is an unboxing of Happy Mail that I received from Notiq brands. So here are some draw cards. They are freebies that came with my order. Wow, that green with the gold disc is absolutely stunning and beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so glad I got it. This is the budget cash envelope finance kit with Notiq brands. This is absolutely beautiful. This inner cover is soft and smooth as well. So this is the budget brief insert. So this is the transparent cash envelope pocket, which has a closure for it. So it has more budget brief inserts and envelopes. So let's count to see how many envelopes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether you get 6 cash envelopes and 6 budget briefs. So this is the to buy inserts. So that's the buy inserts is on the left with the to pay inserts on the right. So you can track what you've been purchasing and what bills that you have to pay for the month. So next is the notes insert. So I really love this cash envelope system. I like the compact size, the color. I love the inserts that came with it, and I will be utilizing it in my next cash stuffing. So I'll be doing a giveaway for a free digital download of over 30 cash saving challenges. And if you want to participate in the giveaway, please leave the icon in this video in the comments below, and then I will do a drawing for it next week. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing of this cash stuffing system. Please like, share, and subscribe.